book so long. The legends and the myths, Achilles and his bow, Hercules and his gifts, Spider-Man's control, and Batman with his fist.